exactly where you are is where you're meant to be. So keep your chin up so your crown doesn't fall. Remember, you're royalty.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification and give this video a thumbs up. When you click that bell notification, you're notified every single time I post a video and you won't forget anything, miss anything is what I meant to say. And what I haven't been missing is sweat, because I have a whole lot of it. It's over 100 degrees every single day here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So for that reason, I am doing what I always do, giving myself some type of protective style. One of my favorite protective styles, it's never changed, has always been a sew-in. When lace and frontals came to be, people threw regular traditional sew-ins under the bus, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, for me, there is nothing like a regular weave. And in this case, I am going to be using some hair that is more so like a relaxed texture, so that way whenever my hair sweats, my natural hair sweats, I won't feel like I have to hurry up and straighten it to make things match, if you know what I mean. If you guys want to see the videos on how I'm repairing my last my last HS outbreak in my scalp, then make sure you check the video links below. But at this point, I've went ahead and put my sew-in in. No, I did not record a full video. If you guys want me to record my next sew-in from start to finish, let me know in the comments and I will do that. But at this point, I'm just going ahead and filling in the spots that I missed because I went ahead and went to bed. But now I'm just going through filling in these spots, any gaps and things that I missed, and then I'm gonna go in with some Olaplex number 6. And with this Olaplex number 6, I'm going to also use my favorite handheld round brush electric blow dryer. That was a kind of sort of a tongue twister. I'm gonna use that blow dryer, and just to give myself like a blown out look and to help my natural hair blend with these extensions a little bit more. But again, I'm not going to be playing with y'all and using no edge control because it's over 100 degrees every single day. So the second I walk outside, my hair is going to sweat. I'm gonna sweat. And that's one question a lot of people ask, like, what edge control do I use to keep my hair from swelling up? Girl, when I find it, I'll let you know, because I sweat and my whole head gets wet, and boo, it's nature. That's like asking me how you keep your hair from getting wet if you go outside in the rain and you ain't got no umbrella. Girl, it ain't gonna happen, girl. So anyway, now at this point, I'm just going ahead and actually putting this track on because I did a half job right before I went to bed. If you guys want to get your hands on any Olaplex, make sure you check the link in the description box below. And when you click that link, you go straight to Olaplex's website, and when you spend at least $50 and you add the $16 kit to your cart, you get that free Olaplex 0 and that free Olaplex number 3 on me. But remember, you have to put the code _ I am Cyn Doll _ to get that free kit. All right, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always watching my videos.
was less than you. Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no. But like really though, how do you know that I can overcome all of the obstacles? She just looked me in the eye, said it's gonna be alright, 'cause I know that's how it goes. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever, forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn and learn to trust whenever, whenever. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away. It doesn't make sense that somebody else got all of the praise when you did the same thing. It doesn't feel real when they all say it's the same rules when you play, when you know that's not the case. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn and learn to trust whenever. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside, outside, outside. It's
exactly where you are is where you're meant to be. So keep your chin up so your crown doesn't fall. Remember, you're royalty.